eggs are especially popular in Asian and Middle Eastern cuisines. Quail farming for meat is equally efficient. After 6 to 7 weeks, a quail reaches an average weight of 5.2 ounces and is ready for market. Quail meat, known for its rich flavour and low fat content, is increasingly popular in upscale restaurants across the US. Every year, the US produces over 30 million pounds of quail meat, most of which is consumed domestically. From the mighty horse to the humble quail, pasture farming proves to be the backbone of sustainable agriculture. As we celebrate these unsung advanced methods to raise and process millions of poultry each year. This farm is home to over 600 ostriches. They primarily live in outdoor enclosures. Additionally, sandy loam is considered the best soil type for their pens. This soil has numerous capillary pores, offering good air and water permeability. This keeps it dry without becoming too muddy. Ostriches are highly sensitive to environmental stimuli, easily frightened and prone to stress responses. Therefore, the surrounding area should be kept quiet and planted with greenery to create a natural environment for the ostriches. This will help them to thrive and enhance their reproductive potential. Stage, they develop certain level of disease resistance and can adapt to the natural outdoor environment. Ostriches have a much higher meat production than cattle. They can reach 250 pounds in just 38 weeks. It is estimated that a farm raising 100 ostriches can earn around $29,000 annually from meat sales. Ostrich meat has a unique flavour and high nutritional value. It is an important source of protein, containing less fat when compared to meat of other livestock. Thanks to its tender and fragrant qualities, ostrich meat can be used for a variety of dishes from different cultures worldwide. Some ostrich farms, compared to other poultry, geese require much lower technology when farming. They have a lower disease incidence and are less expensive to raise. At the same time, goose prices in the market have increased in recent years. As of 2023, the goose farming industry in China produced over 515 million geese, generating $4.2 million, maintaining a sustainable growth trend. Geese needs to be fed several small meals throughout the day to maintain stable energy levels. Their diet consists of grains, pellets, and fresh greens. The selected breed of East Zhejiang white geese demonstrates excellent adaptability, strong disease resistance. Of age, the next batch will be started. With this cycle, farmers can raise at least 5 batches of East Zhejiang white geese per year. Growing grass alongside goose farms not only fattens the geese and reduces farming costs, but also generates high quality forage for sale. Additionally, growing grass is much easier than cultivating grain, making this a profitable method. This model benefits both agriculture and livestock farming. Since native geese are a slow-growing species, the fattening period can last around 98 to 105 days. At harvest time, the geese are sent to the slaughterhouse and kept for 1 to 2 weeks before being processed for the market. Free-range geese are not only flavorful but also firm in Europe. Goose feathers are highly valued for being white, lightweight, and soft. They are widely used in everyday life for making coats or down blankets. In recent years, the market for conventional poultry has become saturated, leading to declining revenues. However, rare birds and game animals have grown in popularity due to their distinctive flavours. In 2023, a farm in Shandong province produced around 1.6 million pheasants, making a significant contribution to both the domestic and export markets. Pheasants have strong disease resistance, high survival rates, low costs, quick capital recovery, and a broad product market. The economic benefits. This provides the main source of energy and essential nutrients needed for the bird's growth. Depending on their age and developmental stage, pheasants are typically fed 2 to 3 times a day. Most pheasants are allowed to roam freely around the farm to encourage more natural behaviours. Free-range farming also helps improve the meat quality of pheasants. The harvest period may vary depending on market demand. Generally, pheasants are ready for market 6 to 12 months after hatching, once they reach significant weight and maturity. Aside from commercial purposes, pheasants are also raised to support the game hunting industry, a popular activity in many Midwestern states in the US for the right moment to shoot. Once the bird is down, hunting dogs help retrieve the pheasant from the grasslands and bring it back. The sport hunting industry not only provides enjoyment for nature and outdoor enthusiasts, but also contributes around $10 million annually to local economies. Farms involved in this activity often secure contracts to organise events, offer guided services, and sell seasonal hunting packages. Each year, around 46 million turkeys are slaughtered in the US for Thanksgiving, largely as a result of intensive industrial farming practices. The US is the largest producer and contributes around $22 billion in wages. Over 85% of US turkey production comes from 13 states, with North Carolina leading, accounting for 15.3% of the country's turkeys. In 2023, more than 210 million turkeys were raised across around 25,000 farms in the US, most of which are family-owned operations. Farmers use a 6-foot-high mesh fence to protect the turkey flocks from predators. While this method is effective for male turkeys, it isn't always foolproof for curious female ones. As a result, farmers must still monitor free-range turkeys to ensure that they don't wander off. On average, it takes 75 to once turkeys arrive at the plant, workers inspect and stun the live birds. They are then scalded in hot water to make feather removal easier. The processing line moves the turkeys through machines to remove their heads, feet, and internal organs. Finally, the turkeys are chilled and distributed to the market. Every step strictly adheres to food safety standards. Steak is tasty, but have you ever tried buffalo meat from the third largest exporter? Sweet and chewy, with 41% less cholesterol compared to beef, smoked buffalo is one of the most popular and expensive snacks in rural China. Today, we will explore the production of both buffalo meat and beef in rural China to see what sets it apart.